Increase 2 stitches by knitting into the front, the back, and the front of the next stitch. Now knit backwards 3 stitches. Insert the holding needle into the last stitch on the working needle, wrap the yarn around, and draw the loop through, releasing the stitch from the working needle. Repeat twice more until all 3 stitches have been worked. Knit forward 3 stitches. Knit backwards 3 stitches. Central double decrease. Slip 2 stitches together knitwise. Knit the next stitch and pass the 2 slipped stitches over the knit stitch to decrease 2 stitches.